Now, a few months ago, I talked about my emergency kit that is in my car. A lot of things happens, and I couldn't finish putting everything together. It has a lot of the stuff, but I didn't finish. So I decided to do a list of all that I need, and I will go actually to the dollar store because I was surprised about the prices and quality and everything that you get in a regular store, but I will get all this that I need. So I will do it after work. We will go together. I'm back from the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to show you what I got before I put together my emergency kit. I found these that I will be using to put on my work table, the small one that I have. Sorry, the light. Let me see if I can fix this opening that better. So, and I'm sorry my voice. I'm been sick for 4 days and it's not helping. So anyway, I got these are sticky wallpaper peel and stick, but I will use on my table to make it look a little more decent. I found also flowers, these and these, and sadly the prices of the flowers on the Dollar Tree now is no $1.25, it's $1.75. I got this little bucket that I want to use. If you see with this little round, it's because the price went up, and I am not sure how much it went up, to be honest, because I was looking for these for the decoration in my porch, and I'm happy that I got it. I'm sure that maximum is $5 or $7, I don't know, but it's still cheaper than going to any other place. I got sponges that is like to put inside of my bucket so I can put the flowers there. I also got, I like this little photo frame. It looks kind of like antique, like a shabby chic. I wanted actually a bigger one, but this was the bigger one that they have in this way, but I can work this. Then for $1.25 files, for nail files. I hope they are good. I don't know how good is the quality. If they are good, I will be buying more. And I think that is all that is now from for the box for my emergency kit. For the emergency kit, I got the 3D white crest in a small size. I got this rain poncho. I got beef tender bites. This is something like an emergency if you're stuck and you need. I bought a small deodorant, and I bought 3, but I only need 1 for my box. This moisture hand sanitizer, so I have extra that I will use for daily, but I will have 1 that will be on that box. And we will put together the box now, the emergency kit. This is the emergency kit that I have been using for many years. It was like a makeup bag that has, or travel bag that has different little bags, and I just put some names on each one of the bags. And what I will have here? I have this little bag that say work. Here I keep highlighter, tape measure, sticky notes, and just paper, some pins, and paper clips. Now I need only a pen. Let me get a pen. I have this pen for so many years. It's the one that has 4 colors. I think one of the colors is not working good, but I tried the others and they're good. So that will save me in case that I need some emergency, like if I run out of paper or something, or if I have a gift and I have to wrap it really quick. This is hair. So I have a dry shampoo, and I also have the little clips. I have a rubber band. I have a little comb open in that way, so it helps because if it's straight your hair or it's curly, it will not mess up. There's another rubber band there. So for this one we are good now. This one is this one is the hygiene. I have a toothbrush, I have floss, mouthwash. Here also will go my one of the hand sanitizers, and I will put inside this one. I don't want the box because it takes more space. Okay, this is a cloth. For this one I have my deodorant, and on this one I need to put emergency sewing kit, so let me get something for that. Okay, here I got a sewing needle, a pin. Actually this will go in this one with hygiene. I have 2 little threads, tape measure. This is something to help thread. A cloth pin, some bottoms and stuff that can help, and a little scissor. So and I got this poncho, but it will not fit, so it will keep it outside. And the last one is this health. It has some random things like pills for pain, Band-Aid, keys. It has also Theraflu and something for the sore throat that honestly helps a lot. And that's, oh, actually this one goes there. Perfect. So we have all these kits that go inside, and I also have Kleenex, the poncho, and I have these 2 tuna and this one just in any emergency, and I checked the expiration date. They're good until 2006 and 2007. So on this little emergency kit, I have a flashlight on my car, by the way. I used to have here, but now I keep in my car close to me. So this is all. It's a small one, but this can save me a lot of headaches. So that is all, and I want to apologize that a lot of my videos are really behind. I will be posting in few, but I'm being sick and in bed, and I haven't been able to really post them. So just be patient. I will be posting after this one in 2-3 days the next one. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon. Bye bye.